In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove AI label on Facebook post. So first, for example, I want to post, then click on gallery, then this is my targeted image, then click on next, then again click next, then you can see AI label is currently turned off. I want to keep it turned off because uh, I'm not interested showing AI label. Then I want to keep it just only me. Then okay. Then post. Then I waiting few seconds for this processing. Wow, you can see I publish this content, but Facebook automatically detect this AI content. But why? Because lots of the people currently using Chat GPT and others AI tool to create those type of image, and Facebook automatically detect it's using metadata. So what you need to do, just going on google.com, then here are type AI label remover, AI label remover, that upload your image. You can choose any of website. Here are the lots of websites, so I use the first one. Okay, now I need to upload on my target image on here. Okay, now I need to click on download. Okay, it's completed. Now I need to going on again on Facebook, then click on this three dot, again more option, then edit my post, then delete this old image, then upload your new image, clean image, then update your this post. Now I hope it's working right now. Wow, you can see it's currently turned off, successfully done. Then you can doing this work and turn off using this method. Otherwise you cannot remove AI label on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.